All right, so this 4-slot staggered, and I'm talking it's practically just a knife cut. I mean, maybe that's all it is. I don't think it's, no, it doesn't have material removed. This is a 4-slot staggered. It's in these, there's no aggregate to speak of. I mean, I guess, you know, I'm going to let our subscribers make their own mind up, but I mean, it's all very flimsy, very cheap. It's made out of trash, literally made out of trash, you know, and hey, I'm not opposed to that. It's just that, you know, I want my drainage systems to last forever. I don't want my customers to have to deal with all kinds of pain. Now, animals will dig this up and chew on it. They love this recycled restaurant containers, things like that. They got some sort of sense of smell that's 100 times better than ours, or 200 times, or 2,000, whatever it is. It's crazy. They dig it up and chew on it. Look at that aggregate. This thing measures 7 inches outside diameter, and this pipe is probably outside diameter 4.5 inches. So, I mean, you do the math. I mean, there's not a lot of aggregate, and I don't know, it's a garbage system. So, I think there's like about a square inch of inlet per foot, where we have over 17 inches of inlet per foot. And there's just no comparison. And then instead of just running one of those, because we have all these inlets in the pipe, understand that water moves through these pipes. You know, gravity carries it. Because these pipes have so much inlet, that's what's great. The water just flows right through. Now we're gonna obviously pack stone around these, pack them tight. Lawnmowers, whatever you want, drive it over it, you're gonna be fine. It's Boffman tile, so it's heavy duty. Got the heavy duty wall. Now, DIYers do know that this is less labor, and it's more cost effective, because stone, when you have it delivered from anywhere, you know, you're paying the delivery fee, then you're paying on the material. A lot less stone. I guess if the DIY wanted to do a system and just bring in bag stone, they now can. If they want to build a quad pack system, now that we have the Boffman high octane, we could build quad packs. We never could before. We've never had a pipe with this much inlet. After we had a full summer with this, got to see the behavior of this pipe, did all kinds of builds with it. Everything works great, but this is it. This is our staple. Everything's a quad pack from here on out. Now that we see what this pipe is capable of doing, how strong this pipe is. Strongest single wall pipe in the world, has the most inlet of any pipe in the world, period. All right, guys, until the next video.